I don't remember ever doing an unboxing here in the channel, but I've been following Manta's progress for so long that I feel like I'm part of the Supernote team, and this is a way to show them my gratitude. Also, of course, this is a way for you to take a first look at this incredible device. As you watch this, I'm already testing many of its new features and trying the new design for a more detailed and longer video. Wow, this is so cool. This Manta was sent to me for free, but the Supernote team was not involved in the production of this video or in any of my past videos about their devices. They always watch the videos at the same time you are watching them. Okay, this is very, very thin. Let's check this. I love this. I wish this was also transparent. There's a little switch that you have to pull down to connect the case. It's not hard as it looks like in the video. The problem here was a giant camera blocking my view. Wow. Inside the box, you also find some extra pen loops. I'll have to check on this later. A USB-A to C cable, some screws, and I love that they always include a screwdriver inside the box. Check this. This is so cool. Like I said before, I'm already trying many of its features, so if this is a topic you'd like to learn more about, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.